am nungai ba numi ni hairo kati akoi biochemistry ki khwaidagi latest equipment among lakpase aduga test amama to ano test me am su to boya ba adu matakta speed of test 1200 per hour to boya ba machine so koi manipur praja gi am nungai ba ni doctor gi su
Matamga chunaba khusu khalai kaya maram nong na hapsinduna RIMS Hospital nongma-nongma gi ahongba kaya lakli haina RIMS ke Director Professor A Santana Fongdorakli wafama singasi RIMS ki ihan hanba centralized AC hall ama oiriba RIMS Golden Jubilee Susruta Hall sangkab ga mari lenina pangtokpa thoram amada Professor A Santana Fongdokibani RIMS ki Medical Superintendent in charge Dr. M Rameshwar amasung PDA gi Executive Engineer Muanna President Member oiduna pangtokiba thoram aduda Professor A Santana hai MBBS tamliba mahiroi singna mamangai gi matamda chatnaramba anala ingi kanglon singsu khangzin mathau tai ngasi sangariba hall asigi maming asi lebak asigi surgery amasung plastic surgery gi mapani haina khangnariba susruta gi maming loduna thonbani matam amada asiguma miyoi kayana anala ingi lamda pangthok lamba anala ingi kanglon asi ngasigi MBBS tamliba mahiroi singna khanggadabani RIMS the MBBS tamliba mahiroi sing manipur gi nan amasung chatnabi khangnabagi damak institute asigi lairiba hostel kuntaruk asi lamdam asigi lai amasung tongan ba ching sing gi maming loduna tholi khomthang asi makhon MBBS tamba loreba matung masa gi state singda amuk hankiba matamda lamdam asigi nan amasung chatnabi amadi geographical gi oiba fazaba kaya aduning singduna lehona bani RIMS the patient care system gi matang da hena faba mayon amada laklaba khana nei ba horagani hospital asigi anoba CT scan gi machine amasu casualty da athuba matang da khillagani hospital asigi mari suba CT scan oigadoriba sina emergency anala ingda hena khudong chaba phanghalagani loinena ngasi maksu north east da ani suba oina biochemistry lab da anoba machine ani amasu pankhatuna thabak horagani masina hena khumang sauksin mamakal makha kya gi test tawada khudong chaba phanglagani haina Professor A Santana Makataki.
Why not we recognize some of them, our father of the medicine, father of the surgery, like that, and those who invented vaccine, insulin, like that. And actually, when we started like this, for students also to learn something. Like today, just because only not for name. When the just now, Professor Evol just told about this story, then all the students will learn about this type of the operation, this type of thing. So whenever we very calculated, so that it's not only name. When you start reading about name, then you start learning the operation. Ultimately, end game is that how to learn that operation.
Nakal amarom da ngasi RIMS ke Director Professor A Santana Hospital asigi Clinical Biochemistry Lab da Manipur da ihan hanba oina DXC 700 AU machine ama sangkaduna mathau tawba hawankre machine asigi matang da palladuna Professor A Santana hai ngasi khiliba anoba machine asina pung amada tongan mamakhalgi test listing amajani tawba ngambagi capacity lei medical lab housing matanga chunaraba machine asina patient singna toina toganba LFT KFT lipid profile serum electrolytes amadi calcium na singba tongan mamakhalgi test sing matam yamna lodana pangthopa ngamlagani hariba machine asina routine test khagnatana atopa ahenba test kaya amasu tawbada hena khudong chahlagani loinena research work tawbagi thak fawbada machine asi sizinaba yaragani haina Professor A Santana Makatana Fongdoki
am nungai ba numi ni hairo kati akoi biochemistry ki khwaidagi latest equipment among lakpase aduga test amama to ano test me am su to boya ba adu matakta speed of test 1200 per hour to boya ba machine so koi manipur praja gi am nungai ba ni doctor gi su adegi ano component me am se hapsal lamne research se am kana ga da akoi ne research to wi kan da koi apply lite ka am tadi positive akoi se da family admire ho bujo ho bro bani diamond project ai se akoi ihan bani to se cancer gi da ta adana si ne akoi RIMS isama na lai jabani